Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project Suraj Lobo Villa by Suraj Estate Developers located in Mahim West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where the construction will soon begin. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. From the left and the right of the project, you can connect to the Western Express Highway. In this video, we will be discussing what points like overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.50 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 20 floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near LJ Cross Road, Mahim West, from where Mahim Fort is at a distance of 450 meters, Mahim Railway Station is at a distance of 1 kilometer and PD Hinduja Hospital is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has a landscape garden, gymnasium, walking track and many more. Speaking of configuration and carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 415 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 630 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Suraj Lobo Villa by Suraj Estate Developers located in Mahim West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.